guys,
Google as a public company is able to disclose its
strike
revenues, but I would not have the ability to give you the specific details for the
I
hearing.
understand, yeah. But the reason why I
Pagdating
asked
sa
that question, sir, is because we'd like to
pagpapalaganap
find
po
out
ng mga fake news
what motivates
sa buong
the
Pilipinas.
vloggers, the so-called
So, hindi pa man din tayo
vloggers,
na-monetize,
I'm
parang
not
magkakaproblema
generalizing, but
tayo
what I'm saying is
soon.
that there are very few of
Dahil
them
ang
who
pinag-uusapan nila,
actually are motivated by the
monetize.
monetization.
Ha? Hindi
by
pa ako
these,
na-monetize,
social media
barbers!
And
Putang kamatis
the
ka!
only objective is to generate engagements, a higher number of engagements, in order to convert this.
Hindi pa ako na-monetize!
Diba? I think
Hindi ako itatama sa mga katataduan yung mga DDS vlogger kayo!
who peddle news. And you know naman how it is, no? When a fake news is being posted online, people
Dapat,
has
ang
different
irregular
reactions.
niyo, yung
One
mga
would probably,
tarantadong
if one
gaga
sees it,
na
probably would say, totoo ba ito?
naniniwala sa mga
Or
fake news.
The other would say,
Naniniwala sa mga
totoo
makalat
ito.
na mga
Kasi
DDS
galing ito
vloggers.
kay ganyan. Or would say na, teka nga, tanong ko nga kay ipasa ko ito. So that creates engagements and increases the number of people who actually has seen a post that could be fake or could be
Siguro
false.
dapat
So,
palakasin nyo ang
anong mechanism
kampanya nyo.
meron si
bossing.
YouTube
Yun yung mga,
to be able to
mga nanonood
limit,
na
if not
wag masyadong magpapaniwala
eliminate
sa
this
mga
kinds of,
clickbait. Wag
peddling
masyadong
of falsehoods.
magpapaniwala sa mga thumbnail.
Mr. Chair, I'd just like to
Problema
share
kasi sa atin, daming tanga eh.
relevant provisions of the
Thumbnail.
advertiser-friendly
Thumbnail na
guidelines
lang,
which all
naniniwala
YouTube
ka na.
creators need to comply with.
Tagumpong naman
So,
ang mga
some of the things prohibited are inappropriate language, shocking content, hateful and
Malaga ang issue
derogatory
ng budget
content,
kay sa
as well as
vlogger.
incendiary
naman,
and
si
demeaning
JB.
content.
Does YouTube
JB
recognize vulgar languages?
Hindi porket
Or let's say
lagi
yung
lang tayo
pagmumura?
nakapokus sa budget
Does
na yan.
YouTube,
Putang inang budget na
consider
yan.
this as obscene,
Putang inang budget na yan.
vulgar, therefore gives them the right
yun
to
ba
take
gusto
it
yung
down?
mga DD-list vloggers kayo? Ha?
In certain
Mag-focus
cases that
ang
might fall
gobyerno
under
sa budget.
incendiary and demeaning.
Mag-focus
So
ang
let me just
Tricom
read,
sa budget.
what is stated,
Hindi pa pwedeng
content that is
tapos
gratuitously
yung budget,
incendiary,
mamaya yung
inflammatory,
disinformation,
or demeaning
mamaya
may not
yung
be suitable
EJK.
for
Hindi
advertising.
ba pwedeng pagsabay-sabayin?
So kasi the reason
Mga
why I
DD
asked
list,
that,
hindi ba kayo
it seems
multitasking?
that, napapabayaan natin
Tanga ba kayo
yung
para
mga
hindi
nagmumura.
marunong mag-multitasking?
Kung yung taong na nagmumura, na gumagamit, nagpo-post ng kanilang mga content online ay nagmumura, karakter na ho nila yon. Maaaring pinalaki sila ng mga magulang nila na pinayagan silang magmura. Pero the question is there a mechanism? Yung YouTube ba, pagka nakita niyang nagmumura, ano ba yan? Kahit man lang sana yung toot, yung, ba, yung mayroong, ano tawag doon? Yung imbes na nagpatuloy yung nagmumura, parang yung parang ini-stop yung word na yun or something. Meron ba kayong ganun
Wala.
mechanism?
Sa editing yon.
So as mentioned, if the content of the creator is already violative of our advertiser-friendly guidelines, YouTube might enforce some monetization policies.
Yeah, but do they recognize yung vulgar languages na Tagalog, which gives them a ground to take it down? Do they recognize that?
YouTube does have language experts in Filipino and other local dialects.
So these are not AI generated, kumbaga hindi nila tinatranslate. Walang mechanism na
we use a
ganun.
combination of both machine learning and AI assisted technologies, but at the same time we also do have human reviewers who are fluent in the local dialects.
So human reviewers. So it's still dependent pa rin siya sa mga human reviewers.
Combination, Your Honor.
Okay, kasi alam mo, I'm sure you will agree with me na maraming mga vloggers na para lang maka-generate ng mapansin, ika nga, no? Nagmumura, no? In fact, bastos di ba? Hindi naman natin sila masisisi o hindi natin masisisi kung paano sila pinalaki ng kanilang mga magulang dahil siguro pinalaki silang bastos di ba? Yun nga ang sinabi sa akin ni Congressman Marcoleta na hindi dapat ganun. Dahil alam mo, tinuturuan natin yung ating mga anak na maging magalang. Di ba? Na maging respectful. Hindi yung bulgar na bastos. Di ba, aling batikusin ka, huwag ka lang magmumura. Kasi subukan mong sabihin sa akin harapan yung gano'n. Anong makiramdam mo? Di ba? Pero kung online, kung magmura, kala mo ang tapang.
Paano kayo presidente? Yung mga nung nakakaang 6 na taon. On live broadcast. Nag-PPI. Di ba? Tapos, tawang-tawa pa kayo noon. Tapos ngayon, aanuin nyo na yung mga nagbumura. Sige, DPI yung nakarang administrasyon. Ha? Pati nga yung anak, nag-DPI na rin. Ha? Leader mo nung nakarang 3 taon, nagmumura. What do you expect, Mr. Congressman? Ha? What do you expect na hindi magmura? DDS vlogger yun. Yung poon nila,
Lalo na kung...
murang alam.
Tapos may kasama pang mura. Bakit hindi kayo magmura harapan? Di ba? Kung pumunta kayo rito...
Sabi lang ni Papalo yun, hindi ako.
Mura kayo, something like that. Tingnan natin ano mangyayari. Away itong mangyayari.
Nanteteng naman talaga,
Kayo, di ba? Alam mo naman, hindi naman normal yung ganun. Ngayon, because of the advent of social media, people like, perhaps, maybe expressing their dissent,
Into
or
Amura.
maybe dislike to a person, to an institution, to an organization, by using vulgar language. Di ba? Siguro, pagka ganun yung tao na mura ng mura, hindi mo naman natin masabing walang pinag-aralan yun. Wala lang pinagkatandaan malamang, no? At hindi dinidisiplina ng magulang niya. Kawawa ang magulang
Paano
nun.
sinundumip-disiplina kay Duterte?
Diba? Nakakaya na yung anak mo bastos, ganyan. Kung magsalita pa ng mga kabastusan, parang walang anak na mga babae. And that is the reason why I asked that if ever there are mechanisms in that social platform that can control that. If not, that's fine. That's okay.
Mr. Chair, so let me reiterate, all content monetizing with ads must follow our advertiser-friendly content guidelines. And one of the advertiser-friendly guidelines is inappropriate language. Content that contains profanity or vulgarity at the start or throughout the majority of the video may not be suitable for advertising. And some of the enforcement
Tres.
mechanisms that can happen to a creator that violates these policies are: number one,
Tinamaan ako dun
withhold, adjust, chargeback, or
taga-YouTube yata
offset
to.
earnings or payment. Number two,
Stop muna tayo,
limit
stop
ad
tayo
revenue
magmura.
from the
Okay lang yung
video.
mga gunggong, mga
Number three,
stupid,
suspend
pero wag lang yung mga PI,
participation
ha?
in the YouTube partnership program.
Wag lang yung mga
And
PI.
finally,
Yari
suspend
tayo,
or
yan
even
sa YouTube
terminate
to.
the YouTube channel.
Taga-YouTube to.
Last question, Mr. Chair. I hope you don't mind. My colleagues would not mind. I just wanted to ask, why do you monetize? Why? What is the logic behind monetization? Because if you monetize, this probably is the main motivator or the main motivation of these people who are engaged in these kinds of ads in the YouTube. Bakit kayo nagmo-monetize?
Boss, may kita sa YouTube. Gumagawa kami ng mga video. Para kumita. Sarili naming kayod yun. Kami director, actor, producer. Magastos kami dyan. Tapos tatanong-tanong ka kung bakit sila nagmo-monetize. Wala ka bang Facebook? Siguro wala kang YouTube. Di pa ako namo-monetize. Nagtatanong-tanong ka na. Huwag ganon.
Mr. Chair, monetization through advertising is what pays for the service.
Para
the
mabigyan ng
ability for YouTube
patalastas
to be
ang
able to
video.
provide a free service to
Para
billions of
mabigyan
people all around the world is
yung
supported
tao
by
na gumagawa ng
advertising.
video ng
basically,
pera.
it's advertising.
That's correct, Mr.
So,
Chair.
commercial. Tama? So, talagang generation of revenues.
Revenues!
Diba?
Talaga!
That's all, Mr.
Bakit
Chair.
hindi ka ba kumikita sa Facebook mo?
Thank you.
Mayaman ka na kasi!
Any other
Yung
member
si
who
Barbos,
would like
eh,
to ask questions
sa'yo.
from Attorney Gonzales? Mr. Chair, not a question but a clarification.
Pinapainit yung ulo ko yung mga tiga-try ko ma.
Clarification.
Hindi pa ako namumonetize. Huwag nyo ginaganon-ganon. Baka kayo murahin ko.
And si Facebook. Mr. Chair, just to clarify, wala pong Facebook and TikTok attending po today, no? Comsec?
Excuse letter from legal
Ay, nako.
representative.
Hindi pa ako namumonetize. Huwag nyo ginaganyan-ganyan. Sige na. Tuloy nyo lang yan. Tsaka na muna kayo. Bahala kayo sa mga buhay niyo.